Hello there and welcome to Ratio and Proportion. This is for Year 6 students. Okay, so ratios are simply a way to compare numbers of quantities. A ratio is a comparison of two different numbers or two different quantities. A proportion is an equality of two ratios. So for example, for every 2 apples, we have 3 bananas. For every 2 grapes, we have 5 cherries, and so on and so on. So let's have a look at the first example and get you started on how to do ratio and proportion. So let's read this question together. So if Divi watches 3 episodes of the favorite maths rat soap called Free Cakes for All Rats in each week, how many episodes does he watch in 2 weeks? Choose the correct option. Okay, so if Divi watches 3 episodes, so let's just write this down to do some working out here. So 3 episodes of his favorite maths rat soap called Free Cakes for All Rats in each week. So he watches that per week. Okay. How many episodes does he watch in 2 weeks? So we've got here 3 per week. So remember, we've got here 3 episodes of his favorite program in each week. Okay, these are the keywords. How many episodes does he watch in 2 weeks? So we just times this by 2, we get 6 over 2 weeks. Okay, so it's pretty straightforward. So in 2 weeks' time, he's going to be watching 6 episodes each. Let's go on to the next question. In fact, let's go to slightly harder questions. We'll see what else we got here. So a DVD has 12 tracks on it. So a DVD is an instrument that you used to use to listen to music, and it had 12 songs on it, in other words. So choose the option that has correctly completed the table below to show the number of tracks on different numbers of DVDs. Okay, so we know that in 1 DVD, there are 12 songs. So in 2 DVDs, they're going to be 24. In 3 DVDs, so we're just multiplying by 12 each time, multiplying by 12 each time, just to find the answers here. Okay, good. Let's move forward to the next question. Let's have a look at another one. So in the wacky shop, you can buy packs of 3 pencils and 1 rubber. So let's just write this down. So in the wacky shop, you can buy 3 pencils plus 1 rubber. Okay, how many pencils and rubbers do you get in 2 packs? So we just multiplied these by 2 each. Okay, so that will be 6 pencils, and that will be 1 times 2 is 2 rubbers. Okay, so 6 pencils and 2 rubbers altogether. So this is all about ratio and proportion. A ratio is a comparison of 2 different quantities. Okay, good luck with this. We'll follow this up in our next lesson. Thank you.